just in case you're very much interested in matters shares, here's some interesting news for you. Retail investors will have access to 20% of Kenya Pipeline Company shares being offered at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, with the firm assuring market stability and full transparency. Potential investors have been urged to open Central Depository System accounts ahead of their opening offer closing on the 19th of next month. KPC has given an implied listing valuation of 163.6 billion Kenyan shillings, making it the fifth largest stock on NSE. Sheila Chelangat has more for you.
The government on Monday launched the sale of its 65% stake in the Kenya Pipeline Company, aiming to raise 106.3 billion shillings in what is projected to be East Africa's largest initial public offering in local currency terms. The transaction is expected to cost the government an estimated 2.9 billion shillings paid to advisors and professional consultants in line with the 2002 Capital Markets Regulation.
The projection that we've shared with you as far as demand is concerned, we see that being stable over the foreseeable future. That is the 5 years projection that we have.
Kenya Pipeline Company Managing Director Joe Sang has defended the sale, dismissing concerns of a potential litigation risks and noting that the company is actively diversifying its revenue streams to remain competitive.
About 10 to 12% of our revenue will be coming from the fiber optic, and another close to about 8% will come from the LPG business, which is what we call the transition fares, as well as the LNG.
Of the total stake on offer, 15% has been reserved for oil marketing companies, 5% for employees, and 20% each for local retail investors, institutional investors, East African investors, and foreign investors. The government will retain a 35% stake of the total shares after the listing.
And then OMCs will be shy of 10%, and then if the employee were to fully subscribe, that would be just about 3%. All right, so if you do 13 for the 5, all right, that gives you the 65% that we're looking at.
The government has priced the Kenya Pipeline Company IPO at 9 shillings per share. The offer will run until February 19th, with trading on the Nairobi Securities Exchange expected to begin on March 9th. Sheila Chelangat for TV 47.